this video, we will be going over the levels in a range. We have here the open, close, the high, and low. Similar to our previous video, let's draw our range. Here we have our premium and discount. The green shaded area is our premium. The red is our discount zone. To simplify, we want to sell in the green premium and buy in the red discount zone. For demonstration purposes, let's see what that looks like on the chart. Let's make a sell in the premium and buy in the discount zone. Now that you understand how premium and discount zones work, using a previous 4-hour candles range as premium and discount, you can take a trade within the zones using the 1-minute time frame and easily secure profits. Please like and subscribe for more of my upcoming videos.